To check your transaction history on ABN AMRO, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Overview section on the main dashboard. Click on it to view all your accounts linked to your profile. Step 3. Select the desired account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be a checking account, savings account, or any other type of account you hold. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transaction History, Transactions, or similar. Click on this option to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter and download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also find an option to download your transaction history in various formats for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on ABN AMRO. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.